Up, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about WAXP Coin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of WAXP Coin, WAXP Coin. What's going on in the WAXP Coin? What's the price changes occur in the WAXP Coin? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about WAXP Coin. Now guys, the currently live, right now price of WAXP Coin in the market is about 0.286857 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of WAXP Coin. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes occur in the WAXP Coin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes is positive in the market. Only last 1 week changes is negative, guys. Except of last 1 week, the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes is positive. The changes is going very good. Let me show you the price chart. Just look here, guys. Now especially on the 6-7 September, the WAXP Coin price very badly falls down. But now in the latest situation, you can see here again the price of WAXP Coin start pumping. So that's why, guys, I recommend for you to invest in a WAXP Coin, because in the latest situation the changes of WAXP Coin is becomes positive and they are profitable in a right now situation, guys. So if you want to buy WAXP Coin, so that's good. It is a good time to buy. Or if you are a holder, so I recommend for you to please hold. Don't decide to sell in a right now situation. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos about WAXP Coin.